Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important thing, and that is your WordPress admin dashboard. The dashboard is where all the action takes place. It's basically the control panel of your website. When you first open your dashboard, the first things you see are various widgets in the main dashboard area, such as At a Glance, Quick Draft, Activity, WordPress News, and Statistics. Under At a Glance, you can check your numbers, such as the number of pages, posts, and comments. You can click on any of these to access a specific screen. Also, at the bottom of this section, you see the current WordPress version you're using as well as the theme. The Quick Draft widget is, well, basically a mini editor where you can draft and save a new post. The Activity widget offers all sorts of detailed and practical information, such as the most recent and scheduled posts. These also serve as links to the specific posts or comments in case you want to check them or modify them. Under the Recent Comments section, you can quickly view, approve, reject, or delete comments on your posts. The WordPress Events and News widget offers the latest news and updates from the official WordPress blog. If you have any additional plugins installed in your WordPress, such as WooCommerce plugin, you will have this additional widget area that will display all the statistics related to this plugin, such as number of orders, your monthly net sales status, and so on. Another important area on your dashboard is the navigation menu, located on the left side of your screen. This area is packed with options, such as posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and settings. There will be additional items here depending on the theme you're using or the plugins. Next, let's take a look at the upper right section of the dashboard screen. There you have your screen options as well as the help button. The screen options allow you to customize which widgets you want to display, and the help button opens up links to the dashboard documentation and WordPress support forums. These are some of the basics concerning the WordPress admin dashboard and its features. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.